Hello everyone, my name is Mars, and in today's video, we are going to bake a cake from this box. You would think that this is the first thing I would try as a noob baker, but nope. Anyway, I want to find out how good it tastes compared to when you actually bake from regular ingredients. Let's go to the kitchen. Alright, so based on the instructions at the back of the box, we need water, a little bit of oil, and an egg. That's it. Although it would be hilarious if they actually provided the wet ingredients as well. Anyway, let's whisk it up until it's well combined. Now you can see from the size of the box that this is going to be a small cake. And it also says here, oven toaster. So I think you can bake it there as well. Fun fact, I started baking on that oven toaster right there. Yep. Okay, let's put all this into the bowl and mix it up until you guessed it, well combined. There we go. I'm just gonna use this 4-inch round tin, grease it up, and put a baking paper at the bottom. And let's pour the batter there. And just like that, we can go on and bake this. I won't use the oven toaster, however. Let's say what it says in the box. 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Got it, chief. Now to wait. The tin is quite high, so I can't see how it's doing. 30 minutes later. There we go. Looks like a cake, or it will be if we frost it. Let's slice this in half. This box does have an icing recipe. However, they didn't provide the ingredients. Like seriously, it's just a few tablespoons of cocoa powder and icing sugar, and they can't even bother to pack that. Good thing we have these ingredients in our pantry, so let's whip up some. It's not much. That won't really cover the entire cake, so let me just grab this leftover frosting from that mocha roll cake I made a few episodes ago. Feel free to check that out after you watch this one. Alright, let's frost this cake. Well, I just used the icing at the middle and top. Unfortunately, I don't have enough leftover frosting to cover the entire cake, and I'm too lazy to make another batch. This is supposed to be an easy cake from the box after all. So what I'm gonna do is just dollop the frosting around the top and bottom edge just so it has some design. Let's add some chocolate chips on the top of the dollops. Why not? And just sprinkle more around the top. I could have probably used colored sprinkles, but There we go, guys. That's actually quite decent. Nobody would expect that this is a box cake, I think. It's actually quite good. I'm happy with it. It will have a nice place in my tummy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I like doing baking and DIY stuffs, and if you want to see more, feel free to subscribe and ring that gosh dang bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!